Hello, my dear viewers. I'm so sorry for to keep you waiting for so long. It's usually not this late. Oh, there we go. Ah, yeah. Okay. I'm sorry, Benny. I'm sorry, Peter. This is because I was not in front of my computer and I was not ready. I was not home, I must say. I was out and I could not get home in time. I'm sorry for today's this thing. Well, this is your favorite channel, Dukas Copy Webinars, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Can we check out gold first, please? No, we cannot check out gold first. Can only do the risk disclaimers, etc. But yes, today I will not waste more time with the introduction and everything. But there is something that is very crucial, and that is the risk disclaimer, which you should go through. Please go through the risk disclaimer. In the next few minutes, I will be telling you the key levels of importance. Today, there is a lot of movement in the market, so let us have some quick look at the risk disclaimer. Then we hop on the charts. The first thing that I am definitely going to show you every day is the dollar index. Okay, the dollar index is doing ping pong, up down like that. Get here. But yes, it is going up and down, but still I will say that it is following our levels. Okay, and here the dollar index is trading at 101.30 right now, 101.32, and because it is daily chart, so it doesn't look like as if there's a lot of movement. But when I switch to the 4-hour or maybe 1 hour, you will note that there is a lot of movement. There is a lot of, you see the dollar index went higher right from the area which we were thinking, yes, can act as a support. Now I think it is looking for another resistance, which it may get around 102.22. So till now everything is going as we had expected. We had expected a support here, break of this high, and then test of 102.22. So let's see how the things unfold in the dollar index. But yes, right now we know that important level of interest on the downside is 100.44, and on the higher side it is 102.22. So we'll keep an eye on these two levels. Okay, euro dollar, why it is 1 minute. Let's go to, okay, so here is a lot of movement actually. So this drop has not come suddenly. I'll show you on 1 hour. At first the price was going higher, then in the last 4, 5, 6 hours the price has dropped from the day's high. I will say that the day's high was around 1.1149, but since we are only trading on 1 day and 4 hours, so I will show you. So this, see, the price first dropped below the crucial level of 1.1095. okay, then we started thinking that yes, this price may be acting as a resistance, although on the intraday it may seem like it has broken higher, but on the daily it has given us a bearish engulfing. That means there are more losses on the way, one thing. And it is also suggesting us that this may be an area of opportunity, because when something like this happens and the area of interest is very close, generally it tends to reverse from there. Now how will I explain this? That yes, those who have sold here, maybe they are out of the market already, and tomorrow you may get an opportunity to buy this market. But I'm not saying buy this market right now, okay, because after bearish engulfing at the resistance, you never want to open a buy position. This is one thing. Okay, like after bullish pin bar, you never want to open a sell position. Similarly, after this red candle, you don't want to buy. You want a buying opportunity like this green candle. Okay, only with the green candles you should be looking for the buying opportunity. When there is a sell, and that too at the resistance, you get a bearish engulfing or bearish pin bar, you don't buy that market. So let us see what happens when the price meets this area, or what happens when the price meets 1.0833 area. Let us see what happens, then only we will take any call on the euro dollar. Okay, till the time please keep on your charts that 1.095 is the area of resistance on the upside, and 1.0833 is the area of support on the downside. And in between these two areas, this is the dynamic support area, which may be, I think, teared down tomorrow or maybe today. Okay, let's see how the things unfold here. Great Britain pound. Well, it looked like for some time that yes, there is enough buying power and it pushed the price higher. But now this bearish engulfing is suggesting that there are more losses possible for the cable on the way. and these losses may extend to 1.2590, but I am expecting the losses to be limited to 1.2750. Only time will tell whether 1.2750 holds or not, but I believe that it should hold, because this is a crucial area of resistance in the past and also support in the past. So 1.2740 is where I am keeping my eyes on. And if I remove everything and I draw a channel, if I draw a channel like this, then I will see, yes, there is a possibility of the price to go toward 1.2590 and even further to 1.2307. But I'm expecting a buy here very soon. Why? Because the dollar index, I am expecting that by the time we'll reach 102.22 area where there will be selling. So if the price starts going down, I think 1.2750 will give sufficient support for the pound here. So this level of 1.2750, the downside. Of course, 1.2797 is also a support, but I think that will break and the price will go towards 1.2750 area. So keep an eye on 1.2750. Even it can extend its way to 1.2590 also, but this is crucial because this was a previous highs here. Now it is going to be tested, and it was also a support here on 10th of July. So keep an eye on this area. You may get a buying opportunity, but do not buy at the red daily candles. No, do not open buy. Australian dollar, nothing much. It is still inside that area where we are not trading this market, so stay away from this. Although there has been a huge sell-off today, okay, but still I'm not trading this market. New Zealand dollar, well, again, this is a sell-off, but not that critical sell-off that it has extended to below 1.6155. So till the time it is trading above 0.6155, I'm not selling this market. In fact, I'm not selling this market above 0.6050 because this is the crucial level of support before the price made this high. So till the time the price is trading between these two highs and lows, I'm not selling this market. Okay, so keep that also in mind. USD JPY, well, it looks like there was a bull trap here. On the 1 hour, it looks like there was a bull trap. Let's see what happened here. All right. So what is the meaning of the word cautious? Cautious. What is the meaning of the word cautious? So this is something called as caution. When you want to buy this market, oh, okay, you see that 50% is reached, that is 141.15. The sellers came back. Okay, we are getting this market at a discounted price. Go, boom, sell off. So this is what happens. What is the next level, guys? 137.23 is what I am expecting in this market. Clear. 137.23 is what I am expecting in this market, and this is not because the dollar is weak. This is because dollar is strong and yet dollar is weak against yen. That means something has come up in the yen. That means all other pairs must be down against the yen. Okay, you can check anything. I think this will have a direct relation with CAD JPY that we were watching for my friend 106. Okay, so this is something unusual. No, this is not unusual. We were expecting this to happen. Okay, so let's go back to the USD JPY. Yes, guys, 139.70 is where the price is. 139.70 is where the price is. I am expecting 137.23 in this market, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after. Okay, there is no day after in the forex, so you can say, I think next week you should see 137.23 in this market. Okay, dollar against the Canadian one is trying to rise after the break higher from this level. No, this was not a break. So the price is still trading in the triangle, so I'm staying away from this market. I'm not doing anything in the USD CAD. In the USD CHF, on the other hand, I'm looking for a break on the higher side. Now this has been a buy, but then it became a sell. Then again, this is a bullish engulfing. There is a possibility of the price to go to 0.8757, but I'm not buying this market because I'm very bearish on this market. Even if the price goes to 0.8819, I'll be looking for a sell-off. So let us see how the things unfold. But I think if I draw this channel like this, then I think I will have created a good channel. If I do it like this, then you will realize that yes, the price can extend towards 0.8867 also. But in any case, till the time the prices are trading I think below 0.9016, I'm a seller in this market. Okay, I would also ask you to not to buy this market because there is a multiple resistances on the way up. Silver, well, silver got sold today. No, it is not sell off, it is still pulling back. So how will you conclude that this is a pullback or this is a sell off? Okay, so this is a sell off, yes. Why? Because we have seen the price making lower highs and lower lows. So this may be a pullback. If we see a close, I think higher than 24.24, then that may be just a pullback. And if we don't see a close higher than 24.24 and we see a close below 24.24, that will open the way to 22.50 in this market. So keep that in mind. On the high side, we have resistance at 25.25. On the low side, we have support at 22.50. Right now, immediate resistance is 24.24 in this market. Here comes your gold, man. Here comes your gold. Okay, this is 4 hour. Let's go to the daily. Okay, we are cautious now, guys. This low has been taken out today. 1945.63 was the level that we were looking for. Today that level was breached. This means that the sellers are ready to push the prices below the levels. And if they are ready to push the prices below the levels, I think if they do not continue selling today, then it's fine. They may be selling at the higher levels like 1967 or maybe at this channel lower, maybe at this channel lower. So, okay. So yes, even if the selling doesn't continue today, you see that this level has been breached, which was the level that was being supported by the buyers. So now possibly either this can happen, okay, this can happen, or there is a possibility of something like this. These are the two things that can happen. Now these are the two areas where you should be keeping your eyes on, okay, but only for the selling opportunity, no buying opportunities in this market because it has recently breached this crucial level of support. Got it? Who was talking about the gold? Benny, you got the idea or you want more analysis on this? We have today breached a crucial level of support. Since this crucial level of support is broken, now we can say all the buyers who are supporting the price here, they are out of the market. So we are not happy about being long in this market. So we skip our longs, we exit our longs, and we want to look for the selling opportunity. Now the best selling opportunity can be here around 1975 levels, but even if the price breaks below here, then we will be looking for another selling opportunity close to 1946 level. Once the price goes and closes below this and then comes back to this area, then only, not right now. Okay. Brent is in a buy mode. Well, it is going higher. 87.46 is the next level of resistance. Nothing else on this market, nothing else. 87.46 is the new resistance. 83.03 may provide support, but crucial support is 80.91 and 78.16. Price trading below 78.16, I will be cautious again. I had a buy at around 1948.5 with the stop loss at 1944. Let me check, please. You had a buy around 948. Okay, so you can keep your stop loss below the low of today, that is 1942.52. Why 1944? Why 1944? What is the basis of 1944? Tell me. Why you are going to 1944? Are you open right now? Is this buy position open right now? I think you should place your stop loss below 1942. 1942.5, at least below 942. Oh, okay, before it dropped. So are you out of the market now or you are in the market right now? Although it seems like the price will drop very soon, but still for some reason before it hit, no, I don't know what you are talking about now. I don't understand. No, before it hit, before it dropped. Okay, before it dropped, you had a buy from here. Okay, I understood. You had a buy from 17th of July, you mean? And you booked it at what price? You want to tell me? What price did you buy? Sorry, what price did you get out? You bought at 1948, but at what price did you get out? That's the question. Okay. Benny is not responding, and I'm so tired today. All right, Benny, we'll come to this later. So Brent is a buy more, but do not open buy right now. 87.46 is the resistance price in this one. Bitcoin, like I told you, that once it drops below this 29,430 level will act as a wall, and it is not letting now Bitcoin to rise above this. So it is very sad for the Bitcoin. If it drops again below the low of this day before yesterday, I think then it will drop to 24,766 levels. No, today I had a buy at 48.5 thinking it will go up, but I got stopped out. All right, go. Good. Otherwise, I would be asking you to share, not share, but send me the money, right? Because if you buy here and you get out somewhere here, then I will be very happy about it. Hi Rakesh, did we cover silver? I had to step away. Yes, we have covered silver, but I will do it again for you. Silver, we have, okay. Technically, from the price action point of view, we have entered a sell mode at this leg. Why? Because I will tell you. So you see the price was making higher highs and higher lows here on the daily. Okay, then it made this high, then it made this low, then it made this high. So between these two highs, this was the confirmed low. This low was taken out here in this candle. So technically we should be looking for the selling opportunities. Yes or no, Peter? Do you agree with this? After the breach of this low, we should be looking for selling opportunity. Why you are saying if only? Okay, I am in need of money. Who will give me money? Peter, Benny, who is ready to give me money? I need to buy some vegetables for my next week. Just joking. Okay. So since we were looking for a selling opportunity, what could we have done? Okay, what could we have done? We could have drawn something like this, and then we could have switched to 4 hours or maybe even 1 hour. But there would have been no drop. But yes, these bearish pin bars, they were an indication in silver that I'm going lower. So yes, there was an indication already. Yeah, guys, we had an indication, okay, in the silver. So yes, silver is going south now, and the next targets, possible targets, are 22.50 in this one. Peter, do you understand? So now this 24.24 will be acting as a resistance for the market, and 22.50 will be the support. Gold we have covered. Gold most probably is going south. Okay. Brent is going up. Bitcoin is going down. Ethereum, the condition of Ethereum actually depends totally on the level of 1816. If it is able to sustain above 1816, then 2026 is possible in this market. But if we trade anywhere below 1816, 1621 will be exposed in this market, like I said earlier. You cannot connect now Bitcoin with the Ethereum because Bitcoin has dropped below the crucial levels of support, but Ethereum is still holding above. That means Ethereum is stronger than the Bitcoin as of now. Euro New Zealand, we are buyers in this one, or we are looking for the buying opportunities. Every time the euro will give us a buying opportunity, which I am expecting close to this 1.7603 area. If we get a buying opportunity here, I think that will be great because we will be targeting 1.800 in this area and 1.8081 and even higher. Now we will be even targeting higher, but this is a very crucial level of support. If we can get a trading opportunity here around, this is also confluence of support, so I will be definitely buying it even if it is risky, with a small stop loss below 7478, 1.7478, and targeting 1.8006. Can we check out US30 and US100 please? US30 we will check, we definitely check that every day, but US100 I will see. Okay, euro against the Australian dollar. Well, no trade in this one. It is an inside bar, although we are expecting lower prices. Any close below 1.6222 will open up the ways to the downside, that is 1.5847 area. Nothing much on this one. I think this head and shoulder inverse which we have created may not even give us fruits, but still I will keep it on my charts. so that we have an idea. Here there is a broadening pattern forming, and prices dropping below 1.6222 will open the way towards 1.6135 and 1.5847. OD against the New Zealand. This may look like bad for the Australian dollar, but do not be like don't be very sad about Australian dollar, because it is strong. Till New Zealand, still Australian dollar drops below this crucial level of I think this level of 1.0829. Till the time this level is holding, I think we should not be afraid of this. And on the upside, 1.0930 area, and before that this high should be the resistance. So the price is trading between these two, but I am expecting 1.0925 to be traded soon. Okay, let's see how the things unfold. That is only my intuition. Looking at this price action, I think this is just another pullback, but if we trade anywhere below 1.0829, it will open up the way for 1.0718 area. Could we also look at GBP CAD at the end if there is time? Thanks. There is always time for Peter, and there is always time for Penny. For my viewers, even if they are one or two, I have all the time in the world for them. Don't worry about time, okay? But you keep talking about anything that you want to in the chat. Don't stay silent. I don't like that. Okay, so here we have reached on a very crucial level where the price either has to break this channel on the higher side, or it has to break this wedge, which is a long-term wedge. If this wedge breaks, we become sellers. If this channel breaks, we do not buy this market. Why we do not buy this market? Because this market is in a downtrend. The structure of the market is south, so we do not want to go north in this one. And what is your take on GBP AUD? That is what I'm saying you right now. If the price breaks on the upside, we do not buy it, but if it breaks to the downside, we become sellers below 1.8850. That's all. This is a long-term plan, Benny. This is a very long-term plan. Okay, when I say long-term plan, it may be a trade of the year. I have discussed it earlier. Below 1.8850, I will sell this market with the target of 1.59100. Okay, USA 30, we have higher prices, 35,845 in target. We are targeting 35,845 on the upside, but it looks like the price is facing some resistance at this critical level. This is a 35,494 levels. Although the price is trading above this, so we should not be very unhappy about it. But if the correction continues further, okay, after this takeoff from here, we have not seen this area 34,921. So expect 34,921 to act as a good support. Okay, thank you, got it. Wow, that's a big trade. Yes, so it's a big trade, but you have to be very like what do you call it, patient, very patient, very patient for this trade to happen. So I am just waiting. So for the US 30, I'm saying 34,921 area should be seen as a buying opportunity. Okay, the price can extend towards this 34,410, but I think 34,921 will be a good opportunity, because this will be around 50% of this rise, or 38% of this rise. Yes, from here, this is I think almost 50%. Yes, and from here, I think this must be 38%. Yeah, this is 38%. So this is a crucial level. I think you should keep an eye on 34,921 levels. Here you should get enough buyers to push the prices further higher. Right now, this candlestick on the 1 hour is suggesting me that there is a more likelihood of more profit booking on the way down. Oh, that's a big trade, so be patient till we get to 34,400 area. Exactly 34,400 area. No, I think 34,400 area you may not get. If the buyers are very aggressive, they will push the prices from 38% of this rise. Like I just showed you, that 38% of this rise are around 34,921. So if you get enough buying here, then you can be a buyer. Or otherwise, what you can do is, like I always tell you, that you can create a channel like this, and when you see that the price is playing around this channel like this, like this, and when finally it breaks out, you become a buyer here. Okay, don't open a buy at the breakout, open a buy at the retest. All right, so be patient, and we get to 34,400 and then buy. No, you buy it around 34,921, or maybe this may be extended towards this also. Okay, but in both the cases you buy only after the break of this falling channel. So CAT JPY, we were expecting some sell off in this one, but this is not some sell off. This is a huge sell off. I will say huge sell off. We are targeting 104.24 the first target, 100.87 as the second target in this market. Nothing else, guys. CAT CHF. I think somebody was talking about this yesterday, and like I told, that if it falls prematurely, there is a possibility that this will not break, and if it extends to the north and then sells off from the higher level, maybe this 0.6476 will be broken to the downside. So yes, it is now a build up here. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now, it is in a consolidation. Why? Because here the price made a low, then it made a high, a higher high, then it broke lower. So it is now in consolidation. So my friend was asking me GBP CAD. I'm adding that to the charts. Okay, GBP CAD. All right, guys, but I must watch this from the monthly so that we have a clear picture of what is happening. Peter, are you there? I'm doing this for Peter, but when you can also have a look. GBP CAD, I think it should be losing a lot. GBP CAD should be losing a lot because pound is down finally, and Canadian dollar is appreciating. Yes, still here. Thanks. Okay. So let my charts load, please. It is downloading the previous data. All right. So we have monthly data, and yeah, it looks like from monthly that this month it has risen and now it is trying to go down. Let us create this previous month's data and this low here. After we have dip here, and then we had a support here. Now we have a resistance here, and when you go to the weekly, okay, okay, on the weekly it is in an uptrend. I think till the time the price is trading above 1.6690, it is an uptrend. We should be looking for a buying opportunity now. But let me check on the daily also. On the daily, the price, if you take this low as a valid low, which is on 10th of July, what was the day? If it was Monday, then no. Yeah, 10th of July was Monday, so we cannot take these Friday and Sunday on into account. So this was one rise. Till the time the price is trading above 1.6690, we should be looking for the buying opportunities in this market. All right. You might be thinking that no, here it is making lower, higher, and lower. No, this is called consolidation. So what my point here is, yes, this is a sell-off, but you should be cautious till the time the price is trading above 1.6690. You should be cautious about that, because weekly this is an uptrend, and whatever sell-off is happening right now may be just for getting another buying opportunity by the big banks or the institutional traders. So what I will suggest is take it as a swing. Okay, so if you take this as the swing, then you should be making your channels from this swing to this swing and this. So this will become your channel, and if you get a trading opportunity, okay, so here If you get a trading opportunity here around this 1.6817 area, you should be looking for buying daily and 4-hourly. I think you should be looking for a buying opportunity. Still here, Ramesh, could you explain why we should not take a Monday low as valid? Which Monday low? Did I say Monday? I said Friday. No, I said that on the 10th it was Monday. Yes. Okay, I will explain why. Because for this low to happen, you need red candles. Okay, you need some sell off. And this Friday and Saturday, or this is actually 7th of July, that was Friday, and this is 9th of July, which is Sunday. Peter, on Sunday all markets are not open. This is the last working hours of the US markets. These are the last working hours of the US markets. Okay, if I switch my charts to some other time frame, you will see that this candle is gone from here. So this price action is not valid because there were no many stakeholders in this price action, and this is the last trading day of the week, so I'm not interested in this price action even. And this is the price action of the Thursday. So if I have seen a Marubozu on the Thursday, and next 2 days when there was no much trading, somebody tried to sell, this was just a profit booking, so I cannot take it as a low. Yes, on Monday if it dropped, it was intraday drop. For an intraday drop, I do not count it as the swing low. An intraday drop cannot be counted as a swing low. For example, this is a low, this is an intraday drop, but this is not a swing low for me. Understood? This low should have a higher low to the left and a higher low to the right. If I ignore these two candles, assume that these two candles are not there, then this candle doesn't have a higher low to the left. It has a higher low to the right, but it doesn't have a higher low to the left. So that means this is a single price action for me. Now this is also a single price action for me. This one again. Why? Because I have not counted this. Had I counted this as a low, then I would have counted this as the break of this low, and then we would have entered a selling market. Okay, since we have not counted this, we will be counting this low as the valid low, because this was the lowest low that the price made before making this high. Okay, so till the time the price is trading above 1.6690, I may sell this market, but I will not be very confident in opening my positions. So I want to be confident in opening my positions, so I wait for the price to break below 1.6690 and then give me another opportunity to go short in this market. That's all, guys. If you have anything else for me, so US 100, somebody is saying US 100. I think US 100 is similar as US 30. So you have to be cautious on the daily chart. It seems like USA Tech has breached this level. This was also on 16th of July. I hope that 16th of July was not Monday, so it was Sunday. Okay, so this low was made on Sunday. If you want to ignore it, you can ignore, but I say that there was a low, actually bearish pin bar on Friday also. So if I take this into account, then this high was taken. This high was also with the red candle. That means on the higher levels, that is around 15,933, there are enough sellers to push the prices lower. So there is a possibility that the price, when it tries again to reach 15,933, it will get rejected and break. So rather than, I think, anticipating this, what you can do is you can wait for the break of this market like this, and then let it retest, and then you go for a selling opportunity. something like this. Although yes, from looking at the chart, it looks like the market has entered a selling mode, or it has overpowered the buyers right now, it looks like. Okay. But on the 4 hour, it has again gone higher than this highs, which is now going down. But you got the idea, right? If we break below this rising channel, I think you can look for the selling opportunities like this here. But if it doesn't happen like that, then do not look for any selling opportunities, because this market in the longer run has been going up and up and up. Do not get frightened because of this pin bars. They may come and go. Yes, we have a potential selling opportunity in this market. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me right now, or I must go and close this webinar. Alright, guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow for the last stream of the week. Take care. Good night.